Bonjour tout le monde. Hey everybody. Okay, so today's lesson is also going to be a pretty easy lesson. It's going to be an extension off of one of the lessons from last week, the demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so we talked about last week, or I should say I talked about last week, how demonstrative adjectives, okay, this or that, or these or those, in French, there's no difference. Okay, so this and that doesn't have a difference between those two, and these or those doesn't have a difference. Okay, but if you do want to distinguish between something that's close to you, like this iPad here, okay, or something that's far away from you, like that car over there, okay, here and there, those are words that I can teach you to how to distinguish between things that you're talking about, okay? Because I know in English it could be in French it could be a little confusing if you're using the same words, but now I can give you that little bit more of extra specificity. So if you're trying to talk about something that's close to you or versus something that's far away from you, the French do have a way to distinguish those two, okay? And it's really, really easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go down here. Okay, so get your notebooks out, and your title is going to be demonstrative, and I'm just gonna shorten it, adjectives, near versus far, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and divide your notebook in half, okay? Because there's only two words, over here and over there. So on this side, it's going to be si, and on the other side, it's going to be la, with the accent going down. Okay, this accent needs to be going down. Okay, so it's not like the downside of the mountain. Okay, so when you have si, that's what's going to mean close to you here. Okay, and la, with the accent, is going to be far away from you. Okay, so remember, accents are super important because they can change the whole meaning of the word. Because remember, if it doesn't have the accent, la is just the feminine form for the, right? La fille, the girl. So you have to have that accent going down, otherwise it's not going to be the right word that you're looking for, okay? All right, so like I said, si is going to mean for here, and la is going to mean for there, okay? And remember, it has to go after the noun that it's referring to. Okay, and that's going to be the same as the other one, okay? Goes after the noun it's referring to. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to say, this boy here, okay? Remember, boy is my noun, okay? And then with my noun, I have to choose between either se, masculine, or set, feminine, okay? So since I'm talking about boy, it's obviously a masculine noun, okay? Boy is masculine. So the this that I need needs to be the masculine this. So that's going to be se. Okay, y'all all know the word for boy is garçon. Okay, and if I wanted to say this boy here, I would need to add ce garçon-ci. Okay, so this is what I added, and it goes after the noun. Okay, so remember, my noun is garçon. Okay, we'll do another example. If I wanted to say that girl here, okay? So again, you have to identify the noun, and this is going to be the noun right here. Okay, and then you take that noun, you have to think, okay, is this noun right here, is it masculine or feminine? Okay, girl is going to be feminine, so that you need, okay, that you need to use is going to be set, because this word right here, that, goes with girl, which is feminine. So that's going to be set. Okay, we know that the word for girl is fille. Okay, and if we're talking about this girl here, remember here is my close one, so we're gonna add si. Okay, so again, right here is my noun. Okay, and this is what I added to indicate that it's close to me, and it went after the noun. Okay? Alrighty, so that's going to be if you want something here. Okay, so ce crayon-ci, this crayon here. Ce livre-ci, this book here. Okay? Ce portable-ci, this phone here. Okay, so ci is what I'm going to add if I'm talking about something that's close to me. Okay? All right, so like I told you earlier, la is going to be the word that you're going to add at the end of the noun if you're talking about something over there. Okay, so for my example, I want to say that boy there. Okay, so it's like that boy over there. That's the one that I'm talking about. Okay, so he's far away from me, that boy over there. Okay, so again, just like before, okay, this boy is going to be my noun. And then you have to choose between ce or cet when you're talking about the noun, okay? So again, just like before, that boy is going to be masculine, so the that I need is going to be ce, okay? We all know the word for boy, which is garçon, okay? And then at the end, we're going to add la, okay? Because that's that boy over there, okay? That boy over there, ce garçon là, okay? For that second example, we're going to say that girl there. Okay? That girl there. That's what I'm talking about. That girl over there. She's not close to me. She's over there. Okay? So again, just like in the other one, girl is going to be my noun. Okay? And then this that, I have to decide, am I going to use ce or cet? Okay? Since it's girl, we know that's feminine, so the that I need to use is cet, just like in my other example. All right, we all know the word for girl is fille, and then I'm gonna add on la at the end. Okay, so girl is my noun, okay, and then my la that I added to indicate that it's over there is gonna come after the noun. Okay? So pretty easy. I'm gonna do one more example because this is something that I didn't talk about in my last video. Okay, so you could just put this at the bottom of your page with a little star. Okay, so CET is this or that for nouns that start with a vowel or the letter H. Okay, so for example, if I want to talk about this man, okay, since the word for man is and that starts with an H, the word for this is going to be set. Okay, so it sounds very similar to the feminine set, okay, but it's just CET versus CETTE. Okay, I'm gonna do another example. If I'm talking about that automobile, okay, automobile in French is the same word basically, just with a French pronunciation, automobile. Okay, since it starts with an A is a vowel, right? So if it starts with a vowel or an H, the this or that I need to use is going to be set. Okay? Alrighty, so that's pretty much it, y'all. That's all the information that I got today. If you want to, go down to the next link. That's going to be a picture with some activities. Okay, I'm not gonna have the answers there, but when you submit your assignment, that's when I can give you some feedback. Okay, so I hope this wasn't too confusing. If it was, come back in for office hours on Tuesday or Thursday, and that's when I'll be to answer questions. Okay, office hours are between 11:30 and 12:30 for your class. Alrighty, I hope that wasn't too confusing. Like again, if you have any questions, you let me know. Okay, au revoir tout le monde. Bye everybody.